Do you want to upload a podcast or a song to YouTube, but a static image is boring to watch? Your audience needs something visual to keep them engaged. Filmora 15 allows you to add dynamic audio visualizers that react to your sound. First, import your music or audio file onto the timeline. You can also add a background image or video. Now, navigate to the Effects tab at the top of the screen. Simply type Audio Visualizer in the search bar. You will see many different styles. Preview them, thumbnail. Once you find a style you like, drag and drop it onto a video track above your audio. Now, play back the video. If this tip made your music look good, please hit that like button, and do not forget to subscribe for more Filmora 15 creative tricks.